Okay, so let's take a look at how you can install R language in Ubuntu Linux. So what I will do is I will open tilix, which is terminal in Ubuntu Bachi. Okay, in your case it could be different, so you can search for that and type in terminal and see what appears and open the terminal in that case. In case of Bachi, just open tilix. Next thing, type in sudo apt install r-base. So r-base is the base package for R language. Hit enter. Now type in the password. Okay, then it would take 200 MB of installation, so say yes and continue. Okay, after the installation you will get this message that processing triggers, and finally it will return the prompt. So to verify if the R language is installed, what you can do is, let's clear this. Simply type in capital R, hit enter, and it will return the R prompt. And to see if it works, simply let's create one data with rnorm. Okay, let's say up to 100. It should hold all those values within our A. Okay, now if we return A, it should output all those entries. Now next thing we can do is plot A by using plot function, right? And here you get the value of all those data points here. Okay. If you can see this, that means you have managed to install R language along with a simple program to verify if it is working installation.